how to turn on or turn off high contrast keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next in here, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Now go down and then tap on vision enhancements. Next, tap on high contrast keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or tap on it to switch it off. You can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can choose a keyboard style. So we've got black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on a black keypad. Below here is a preview window. You can choose yellow letters on black keypad or white letters on a blue keypad. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.